Oh, ano meron? Anong ginagawa mo dyan sa salon, ha? Oh, syempre, meron tayong painting ceremony na magaganap ngayon. Kaya ito, tamang paganda muna tayo mga buddy. Andito na tayo at hawak natin ang sinumpang salaysay. At ayan, medyo masaya ako na may halong kaba kasi baka hindi naman ako tawagin pero nandyan lang ako at nakaupo. Charis. Biro lang, pero syempre napakasaya ko dyan at napaka-excited para tawagin at magkaroon ng painting ceremony dahil ito na magiging kapalit at sukli sa lahat ng ating pagod at puyat at paghihirap bilang college student as a psych major. Kaya ayan, panaarin natin.
As you enter the world of professionals,
individual who is vast and inspire us.
Afternoon, everyone. To our dear students, parents, to Sir Tony, our beloved Dean of CAS and CBA, and of course to Ma'am Leslie Rocha, our chairperson, to all the people behind this pinning ceremony. Again, great afternoon. It is my privilege and honor to introduce our speaker and our guest for today. He's a beloved person. I know him personally as a good person way back when we are students. A licensed professional teacher and of course a registered psychologist. A mental health advocate and professionals. Our guest speaker is now the program head for the psychology of the Cavite State University, a sought-after speaker and trainer for mental health related topic. He's also a teacher and a faculty member. He also founded the psychological clinic Transcendence, who offer counseling and psychotherapy, test and instrument validation, as well as a research consultant and a lecturer. Again, it is my honor and privilege to introduce our beloved guest for today's ceremony, no other than Professor Joey B. Imba.
thank you, Sir Lunar. No, magkaibigan po kami na rin yan, kaklase ng college. No? And to Dr. Antonio Gonzalez, the College Dean of Arts and Sciences, the BBA Dr. Valentino Baang, and Psychology Program Chair, Ma'am Leslie Ann Rocha. Thank you so much for inviting me here. Parents, students, staff, pleasant afternoon to you all. Bago ko magsimula, students, pwede niyo po ba pasalamatan yung parents ninyo, kung parents nyo, kung guardian, no? Ma, thank you so much. Okay. And kasi narating nyo na, nakapag-white uniform na kayo, no? So it means that you really qualified for this profession, no? Ayan. So, thank you so much again for inviting me here. Today, we are gathered here for a special occasion, the pinning ceremony for our esteemed West Bay College psychology students. As we come together to celebrate this milestone in your journey, I am reminded of a powerful quote that resonates with me deeply. And this quote is, "Your struggles do not define you." Again, your struggles do not define you. So amid my current emotions, this quote holds significant meaning because I am facing a personal challenge as my 69-year-old mother battles stage 5 kidney disease at the National Kidney and Transplant Institute. With sleepless nights, wala pa po akong tulog, galing pa po ako doon sa NKTI, and a heavy heart, I must stay strong, not only for her, but also for my patients who depend on me for mental health support. Kailangan kong maging matatag. It is moments like this that remind us of the resilience we possess within ourselves. Despite our hurdles, we can overcome them with courage, determination, and unwavering strength. Psychology students tayo di ba? Kahit ano man ang mangyari, tuloy pa rin. As a psychology students, you are embarking on a noble path of understanding the complexities of the human mind and emotions. Your dedication to learning, growing, and helping others navigate their struggles is commendable. Remember that each one of you has the power to make a difference in someone's life through your knowledge, empathy, and compassion. Today marks a significant step forward in your academic and professional journey. As you receive your pins, may it serve as a reminder of the commitment you have made to the field of psychology and the positive impact you can have on the lives of others. Remember, we are in the helping profession. Okay? The theme of today's ceremony, Psychology and Beyond, a journey to endless possibilities, beautifully captures the essence of your journey ahead. This theme speaks to the boundless opportunities that lie before you. As you delve deeper into the mysteries of human and explore innovative ways to foster mental well-being. There are still many battles ahead of us. Marami pa po tayong laban. But together, as a community of resilient and compassionate individuals, we can face them head-on and make a meaningful difference in the world. Malayo man, pero malapit na. As you stand at the edge of new beginnings, remember that the pinning ceremony symbolizes not just academic achievement, but also your unwavering dedication to the principles of psychology. Each pin you receive today represents a journey of growth, learning, and transformation that has led you to this moment. Nandito po tayo dahil we are celebrating your success. No? In the field of psychology, we are entrusted with the profound responsibility of understanding the complexities of the human mind, supporting individuals in their time of need. No, kulang na kulang po ang mga mental health practitioners sa Pilipinas. As of today, wala pa po sa 2,000 ang mga psychologists sa Pilipinas. And remember, marami po nagkakaroon ng mental health problem. Marami pong nagpapakamatay, depression, anxiety, and trauma. Sino ang tutulong sa kanila? Okay? So that is our challenge in today's mental health crisis or problem in the Philippines. Okay? Your strength of character and your heartfelt desire to make a positive impact on the world around you. In the face of adversity and challenges, always remember that your struggles do not define you. Instead, they serve as opportunities for growth, resilience, and personal development. It is through facing these challenges head-on that we discover the true extent of our capabilities and depth our compassion for others. As you move forward from this ceremony, carry with you the lessons you have learned, the connection you have made, and the passion that drives you to make a difference. Whether you choose to pursue further studies, enter the workforce, marami po tayong pwedeng mapasukan, clinical, industrial, educational. At lahat po yun, pag may tao, may psychology. I have no doubt that each of you will go on to accomplish amazing things to both your personal and professional lives. May you always approach each circumstances with empathy, understanding, and commitment to aiding those in need as you negotiate the complexity of the human experience. Congratulations once again to our WBC psychology students. Palakpakan niyo naman po ang inyong sarili. Today we celebrated not just your academic accomplishment, but also the incredible potential you hold to shape a brighter, more compassionate future for us all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Itak, for your enlightening and thought-provoking talk. Truly that there is boundless opportunities ahead of you. And there's many battles ahead of us, but together with resilience and empathetic individuals, we can make a transformative leader together. We now move to a deeply symbolic part of our program, the pinning ceremony. This ceremony represents our students' commitment and readiness to embrace their future roles with honor and dedication. We will represent. Please come to the forward to commence this significant ceremony. May I invite the students in front together with their parents as I call on your name. Together with your parents, please proceed at the front of the stage. And also, may I invite Sir Tony and Sir Joey Itak to Congratulations. Up next is San Miguel Francesca A. Gualberto. As I call on your name, please let us all clap for them. Congratulations once again. Up next is Ms. Santos Christine Joy.
Please repeat after me. As a student and future professional, I solemnly pledge to uphold the principles and values of my chosen field in psychology. I will strive for excellence in all my endeavors, seeking to expand my knowledge and skills continually. I will demonstrate integrity honesty, and ethical behavior in my professional and personal life. I will show respect and compassion for those I serve, recognizing the dignity and worth of every individual. I will collaborate with my colleagues, contributing a culture of teamwork, support, and shared purpose. I will advocate for all the well-being and rights of those in my care. Ensuring their voices are heard, their needs are met. I will remain committed to the lifelong learning, embracing opportunities for growth, and development throughout my career. I will uphold the standards and traditions of my profession, honoring those who came before me, and paving the way for those who follow. With this theme, I accept the responsibilities and privileges of my profession, dedicated to making a positive impact, and striving to be a beacon of excellence and compassion. You may take it.
Thank you, Ms. Lesliana Bucha. As our program draws to close, it is fitting that we reflect on the journey we have undertaken today. A journey filled with inspiration, learning, and the celebration of deliver the closing remarks and encapsulate the essence of this memorable event. I am honored to invite Ms. Leslie I.M. Bucha. Please give her a warm appreciating word.
Hello po, good afternoon everyone. Thank you so much po first to our speaker, Sir Joey, for giving your time po. Very special time, grabe. May pinagdadaanan po si Sir hindi ko rin alam yun personally, but alam niyo, as psychologists, nakita ni Sir, epitome siya na resilience. So sana we all withhold them within ourselves, that we can be one someday, or kasi bilang mental health professional, talagang napakalaking contribution ng ating personally not to be very resilient kasi sabi nga, yung psychologist, kailangan meron ka nun. Kaya sana I'm hoping that you are embodying that, resiliency. As a student naman, nakikita ko, personally, isa-isa, kilala ko kayo kasi napaka-konti natin. Ayan. So, sobrang konti, kilala ko ano yung strengths and weaknesses ng bawat students. And also, I believe na each one of you will be doing great on your internships. Congratulations in advance. So, I am really looking forward na you all embody what a West-based student is, what a West-based psychology student is, even though we are very few in this institution. Sobrang bawat isa sa inyo, pinapahawa niyo ko na nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa inyo when I was a student here. Sa mga parents ko na if you don't know, I was a student po, product po ni West Bay College. So, nandito po ako also, para i-share din sa mga estudyante ko and also sana ma-inspire ko din sila na limitless po talaga yung possibilities for sa profession po na ito. Hindi man siya kagaya ng ibang professional like engineering na parang, engineer siya. No, pero pag tayo ng psychology major, psychologist, ako po, nung buhay kong patunay kami nila Sir Joey, Sir Marvin, na napakadami mong job sa atin na mental health professionals. Kaya ako talaga lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, paulit-ulit sa klase na kung kaya nyo talaga, mag-push kayo ng further studies. Kasi sobrang limitless ng possibilities. No? Pero if hindi man kayo mapunta doon, may other opportunities pa rin. No? Sinabi na ni Sir kanina, sa school, sa clinic, sa industry, kayo na lang yung mamimili. Yun na lang yung lagi kong masasabi sa inyo. And so yun, sobrang thank you po din, Sir Joey, Sir Tony, Ma'am Amy, Sir Marvin, Tack, and everyone po, also parents po, for sharing your time with us. Very momentous event po para po sa mga anak. No? And thank you so much po. Lalo na po sa mga students po na nagpakihirap po para po ma-put up itong ating sobrang proud of sa inyo, galing mo. Without you, hindi rin naman natin ito magagawa or magiging successful. So yun lang, thank you po for your time. And God bless us all po. Yun po. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those eloquent and heartful words that beautifully encapsulate this. Congratulations, everyone. May I request all of the students here to have a simple photo op at the center stage for documentation.
Yun, mga buddy, dahil tapos na ang ating finish ceremony, kailangan na natin magpunta sa Jollibee. Sarap. Hanggang dito na lang mga buddy. Abangan nyo yung mga susunod ko na video. Like, follow, and subscribe para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong video. Thank you!